There are thousands of videos on YouTube showing you how to get Canva Pro for free, but this one is the shortest. In this video, there will be 3 steps that you can use to get Canva Pro for free. Stay with me as I take you through the 3 steps. This is a very basic one because everybody needs to create a Canva account. As you can see on the screen, I already have one, so I don't need to create another one. So I'll just move on from there. So next, you move into the description and you click on any of the available links that says Canva Pro. This automatically adds you to a Canva Pro theme where you can access all Canva's Pro tools. This step is actually a solution to any of the 2 problems you might face from step 2. It's either the Canva Pro theme is already full or you actually get access to it, but a few weeks later, the Canva Pro's access is revoked. Whilst this is normal, but to keep this video relevant to you guys and keep the promise of giving you Canva Pro for free forever, I'm going to show you a way to continue getting these kinds of links. And all you need to do is to get back into this video description and click on the Telegram link channel. That sends you to my Telegram channel where I'll be uploading links every single day. This won't work if you're not subscribed to this channel. Yes, it's true. Don't try it, but it's true. Anyways, I'm Zenon. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.